urukiko rugenderire kutaho emiringo yo kubasa kubayisya hantekateka uko barayongezemo Amaani kureba ngo bamaraho Abahekyera abari kuteganisa ihanga ya Somalia. Urukiko ruri ya hoteli ya Mistir mu rurembo rwa Kampala ahura mare ibiro bitano nabwanyuma bebembezi b'amahangaga nibaza kubuganaho okushwijuma.
Ino mukutano tuno urukiko rw'abantu wensi is contributing troops mu Somalia. Ensezo wali mu Djibouti, wali mu Egypt, Ethiopia, Kenya, and of course ne Uganda for hosting a meeting. Na ine Somalia jetubera ensi y'Uganda is providing.
Ubuyaba na igura ku rukiko ryo muhwezi wa ambassador wa Uganda mu ihanga rya Somalia Robert Mujimba yashobora ngo ekijenderwa cyo rukiko no kugira ngo bakwatanise hamwe ukurebeka ngo bamara ko Abahekyera.
Of course manyite no mission ya African Union, so the African Union ne IGAD. Na mu rukiko rw'aba ministers tujya kuberamo neba partners abaranga ng'Ababulaya nga USA ne EU. Kato urukiko n'urwa kudiscussinga mission empya twari tuina AMISOM nga mission enkadde ne bavako ne bagenda ko ATMIS katurimo OISOM je baita African Union Support and Stabilization Mission in Somalia.
Mujimba yashobora ngo urukiko ndoza kuyambaho buri hanga ryona eriro mu missioneji ukwayo ahari bimwe ibikozire niko barebe abo barahikire no kurwanisa Abahekyera aba.
All troop contributing countries have sectors they hold. We have sectors from sector 1 up to sector 6. And every country or every troop contributing country is giving a performance of each sector. From there we are intended to hear the host nation, which is Somalia, on how they are progressing. Because even when the mission is there, they are doing the job of the host nation. So we need to know, and Somalia will provide a presentation in terms of force generation, in terms of force integration, and how they plan that OISOM mission will exit. Because it seems their readiness and state of preparedness that will give us the adequate space for the mission to exit.
Robert Mujimba yashobora ngo bashabire ibitongore ebiriko buyambi kuruga yo kurebeka ngo ubabakwatiraho Omukurwanisa Abahekyera aba namunonga abekigumbe cha Al-Shabaab.
If the work the mission is doing still stands, then the mission has a prerequisite to stay until it achieves the intended objective. As you can know that the threats of Al-Shabaab have increased, but we do hope that with these meetings we are find amicable solution and remedies to address and also tackle the issue of Al-Shabaab in collaboration with all TCC and the host nation, the federal government of Somalia.
Ogu yashobora ngo kamishoni ninga shamahanga agehire yo kuyamba wihanga rya Somalia tigarije kutahanze bikozesibwa byabo mpaka Abahekyera barahwereyo
called AISOM. And these include Djibouti, Egypt, Ethiopia, Kenya, and of course Uganda. Somalia will attend because it is the host country of that mission. But we also have participants. That is of course the partners, the African Union, United Nations, and the IGAD.
Mujimba nagira ngo n'obukirabe ngo nibakore imirimo ogu nibashanga ubuzibu obwo kubure bikozesibwa ebiri kumara.
African Union mission has faced the challenge of inadequate and predictable and sustainable funding. This has happened from AMISOM, the ATMIS, then now African Union Support Stabilization Mission. But we are glad that the UN Security Council adopted Resolution 2719 of 2023, where they agreed that the UN Security Council will provide 75% of the budget and 25% will be mobilized from other partners.
Urukiko runiruza kumarirwa ibiro 25 by'okwezoku kandi urukiko rwamuheruniruza okubero mu makagumwe bembezi wihanga Omuri Entebbe abo baramwanjurire ahari bimwe bintu ebibashaziremu mu rukiko oru gashakwa Ronald Ngabirano abwa tayari West Omuri Kampala.